All right, guys, 2005 Jeep Wrangler LJ. Saw it for sale when we were at UA last year. It's the old Rock Ready LJ with the flames. My dad's old LJ. I had to get it back, so we were able to get it back, and now it's time to rebuild it. All right, week one, we brought it in and we're in nothing but full teardown mode. We got the front bumpers, rear bumpers out, getting ready for the Savvy bumpers. We got the whole front fender section out, getting ready for the Nemesis Highlines, rockers, tub armor, getting ready for all of that. After that, we'll get all of the drivetrain and all of our old suspension off. We got some new Curry 68 lugs to put under it, a whole bunch of new cool Rock Ready suspension parts to go under it. And we've got a Barnes gas tank to go in the rear to help us give it a little stretch to this thing. So a bunch of cool stuff underway, some Baja Designs lights to throw in the front, super pumped. In the late 90s, early 2000s, you know, this was one of the Jeeps that helped push Rock Ready. We had a whole Rock Ready tour. So we are super excited and pumped to be relaunching Rock Ready this year with a bunch of new, really cool parts. All right, guys, so obviously, a bunch of work that has to be done to bring it on UA later this year. Be sure you're followed. We're gonna be posting updates on this thing so you can stay in tune with what's going on.